Hey guys, how's it going? This is Tim Shaves. Today it's going to be a quick little shave just on a 24 hours of growth. Not much to work with, but yeah, ready to shave it right off. Hope you guys are having a good day. Some good shaves, and today I got a simple shave going with the Gillette Pure. I think it's one of the best mass-produced creams out there. Just works well, it smells nice. Got it lathered up using my Sawdust Creation Shangra-La brush. Very nice pour. But yeah, let's get on it, wet my face, and get it going. No pre-shave today, just some water, and I got this cream lathered up with some water. Should be pretty well hydrated. Hopefully it's got some good slickness. Sometimes if I put too much water, I feel like the slickness decreases, but let's see how it goes. Today razor is gonna be the Fatip Open Comb Slant, the Storto, paired with the Astra SP blade on its first use. I tried an Astra SP yesterday on its second use and I didn't enjoy it, so I'm gonna test it out if that was just a bad blade or if the SPs are not fitting with my skin. Astra SP has been one of my first blades that I tried out, and it's been my top blade for a while, but last couple of shaves with it, it's been a bit a little tuggy, I would say. But today feels pretty smooth. Alright, pretty good first pass. Let me rinse up, go for a second. Cream is providing good slickness, good residual as well. Alright, here we go. Second pass through. Plenty here. Bit on the lighter side, definitely not the densest cream out there, but it does a job, and it's cream enough for me. Here we go, second pass through. Bit of a longer stroke this time. This razor has been an interesting one. I didn't enjoy it early on. I've had some rough shaves with it, but the more I use it, the more in tune I become to the efficiency and just how it feels. I'm really liking the feel of the slants and the increased efficiency due to the torqued angle. Alright, pretty good so far. And shout out to CB Shaves, Chris over in UK. It's a pretty entertaining guy to watch. Just gives a good spirited bloke out there, and yeah, go check him out. He has a lot of nice products. He's got a nice setup going on right behind him. I wouldn't mind having that kind of organized setup, but I got mine in mostly storages and little baskets here and there. All right, pretty good so far. Let me go for a last cleanup pass, going some against the grain, and got plenty of lather here. Oop. Lather dropped, plopped on the floor. I'll have to rinse that up. All right, against the grain, last pass. Yeah, I don't know. It's blade's feeling good today. Not the smoothest, let's say. I don't know if this is just this packet or this tuck of blade. It's feeling this way. Just a little buffing around the chin, but all right, that's pretty good. I think I'm gonna wrap it up there. Let me rinse up, and go for an alum finish. Yeah, the first fresh blade on the Astra felt better today. For some reason, on the second use, it didn't feel as good, but yeah, man, that was a pretty quick, simple shave. Just finish it off with the alum. All right, not bad. No sting. Nothing at all. So I would say that's a pretty good improvement from yesterday. I had quite a bit of sting on the chin. I did buff it a bit more than today, but no feedback today. Very nice. I'm trying to use up this piece of alum block, but still working for now. I've had to use a smaller chip of this because I didn't want to waste it, but at a certain point I had to throw it away. But that's it. Nice shave. I would say very close to BBS. A little bit right here, but other than that, that's a pretty close shave. Only 24 hours of growth, so it was a bit easier to work with than yesterday, which I had 2 days of growth, but still enjoyable shave. I'm gonna keep on using this setup and see how it works with my skin. So far, I'm enjoying it. Astra SP has been a little on and off recently, but yeah, I'm gonna test it out more, and I think I'm gonna be enjoying this slant razor. It's been a fun one. I'm interested in getting a Testina Gentile, the regular version, and there's a slant version. So I don't know if I'm gonna get both, maybe one or the other. But that said, thank you guys for watching. This is Tim Shaves, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.